Hi guys, Ralph here. Here a short video from Syntorial. That's a program or an app where you can learn about synthesis. So what we're looking here is different modes you can have in the app. So you have the essentials where you learn, from envelopes to filters to implement effects and how to make like bottom end, working with sub oscillators, and so you learn every kind of step. And then you have other lessons as well, where, for example, the remakes, where you have famous songs, and then you learn how to program specific sounds, and you build it your own as a test, and then you can compare it to the original sound, which is really helpful to get behind how things work and how you combine different segments of a synthesizer to make a specific sound. In this example, you see it explains the whole thing from the serum, and then you can download lesson packs as well for different synthesizers, and they're constantly expanding the lessons here as well. That's a really cool software to have. And if you want to get that software, you can use my affiliate link in the description. You don't pay more if you use the affiliate link, but I can get a bit out of that to continue with my tutorials and workshops. If you want to dig into the software, check it out. It's really, really nice. And it's well made, lovely people behind. And this is the software where you can learn everything in and out to every corner of a synthesizer, which helps me still sometimes to get behind specific sounds and how they are created. So check it out, please, and thanks for your time. Bye.